Flying platypi, hi! Okay, on that note, guys. I have to fart. Oh, nice.
I don't think I'm gonna walk out to it in reception. But excuse me.
Sorry.
Oh, did you guys, that burp, oh my gosh, that like came out of, that just like came out of.
Close your eyes.
People are like, thank you, blah, 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 blah. And just.
I don't have kids. Excuse me, I'm gassy. I don't have kids, okay? I just farted! It never makes a sound. Oh my god. I am so embarrassed. That one went up my nose. It burned.
Hostia, tú, perdón.
I'm just gonna sit on my hand. My booty is very hot. Ooh, burp, here it comes. Wow. That is so sweet. Hair of the cat. ¿Pozoles de dónde es que es mexicano? Sorry. Honestly, guys, I hate to disappoint, but I don't fart much. I think all the gas that goes in my body, it goes up my throat.
Oh, en serio.
Oh, somebody asked me a question about my chairs. If I prefer the Titan or the Omega. I personally like the Omega better because I'm small. But, man. Okay, well, let's try and get something else now.
Seeing friends.
In the first place. Excuse me.
Sorry, not sorry. Knife.
Fuck. Up.
Just fart it. And it smells like
She means us like this.
coffee. Maybe I can have some coffee.
I'm working on a burp right now. Maybe I'll grab some pizza. That'll help. Wait. There we go.
Done touchdown. Can someone please kill chat above you? Yep. I feel like if I tried to burp a
Just
lot,
Dance equals end of stream. No one wants end of stream. Stream forever. Ban Just Dance.
You take it in one bite. Sorry, I burped. Excuse me. Please forgive me. I'm sorry I burped.
Nailed it.
Donating $120, so that was in his honor. Oh my goodness, thank you, Logic. Oh my goodness, thank
Yesterday I
you.
watched your mental health video. I just want future all the best things.
Sorry. I'm drinking carbonated water because apparently it digests faster. Yo, nomás. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry.
Oh my god. I totally.
4 cents and get some tap water.
Was that burp cute? Very sorry. These noodles. Oh, we could do a Costco stream. Wow, so sorry about that. Wow. Does that smell good? No, what seems the alpha? Are you just... That was pretty decent. Like a 5. 2. Like a 2, yeah. Okay. Rate that burp. Sorry. Her eyes or something.